Okay, here we are at the Waltham property, looking at some stuff here. We need an end cap on that, an elbow on that, and then the plastic stuff on that. I need a bid on these windows, fixing this stuff somehow. That trim's got to be fixed. I don't think that's going to pass city inspection. And then that's got to be fixed right there. I don't know if we want to clean those shingles off. I don't know where that's all coming from. I don't know. We got screens. This needs to be fixed. Please bend it back. Whatever you got to do, screw it or something. I don't know what to do about that, but fix that. We need a downspout extension here. All right. This over here is unacceptable. That should be extended down with an elbow and then this put on, please. Lights look good. The yard needs to be cleaned up, please. Let's get rid of the all these leaves. Get these cleaned up. Okay. We need an extension here. I don't know where to put that. I don't know. Probably put the extension just into the garden. Same thing over there. Get it away from the house or the entryway. Look at all this. It's got to be cleaned up. This looks like it was a duplex at one point in time. All right, and then we got to do over here in this utility room. Let's get rid of all this insulation here, and then let's coat that with something, put up a board up there and paint it, as well as painting this board here. So that up there has got to be fixed, covered, and then this is all got to be painted so it looks nicer. All right, and then flip the fridge handles. Please get that flipped so that'll be nicer. And I think that is it. Everything else looks pretty good.